The Painting Baby Hand channel.
Hi everyone and welcome to Painting with the Hand. In today's video I'm gonna show you a queen. Are you ready? Let's start coloring. First I'm coloring its hair, dark brown color. Now guys, I'll tell you a story of Queen Zara's gift. Queen Zara ruled her kingdom with kindness and compassion. She possessed a magical gift, a voice that healed the sick and brought peace to troubled minds. One day, a terrible dragon appeared, terrorizing villages and crops. The people suffered, and Queen Zara's advisors urged her to flee. Instead, Queen Zara bravely approached the dragon. She sang with all her heart, pouring love and compassion into every note. The dragon's fury had softened. It transformed into a majestic, gentle creature. The kingdom celebrated Queen Zara bravely and gave. From that day on, Queen Zara traveled her kingdom, singing hope and heal to all. At the end, would you like it? If you like this video and this story, please tell me in the comments. I will mention you another story and another video. Now I am coloring the crown stones with purple color. I am coloring in crown with golden color. I am coloring her earrings with purple color. I am coloring her lips with pink color. I am coloring her face and her neck with skin color. She has very attractive eyes. Do you love her eyes? Now it's time to color her dress with purple color. Golden color. Blue color. If you guys like my videos, please subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching.